Hey everybody, welcome back to the Maniac. It has been a little bit since I've been able to post a video. Things have been kind of crazy with everything going on with the coronavirus and whatnot. So I actually left my house on the East Coast to come out to California to stay with my mom. She lives by herself, I live by myself, so we figured we would quarantine together. Anyway, I wanted to let you know I am suffering just right along with all of you as far as getting your nails done. For those of you who do your own nails at home, hopefully you have some supplies. I did not have enough forethought to grab any of my nail supplies. I do keep some stuff at the house, but before I left I didn't have a chance to go to the salon. So anyway, my nails look like this. I had some long acrylics on. It's grown out to right there. And I've just kind of been filing away any part that starts lifting because inevitably, it's not that much, but inevitably kind of at the sides, I don't know if you can see right here, there's a little teeny tiny spot that's lifting. So washing my hands all the time. So obviously that is going to impact the breakdown of the acrylic, which is what I was wearing at the time this all happened. So I was able to, after a couple weeks and realizing I'm going to be here for a while, I did place another order from Sparkle & Co. And so I'm going to go ahead and unbox that. And then I'm going to do a couple of videos. I'm going to do my own nails. I'm going to do my mom's nails. So we'll get to kind of play around. If there is anything specific that you want to see, please go ahead and leave it in the comments. I will do everything I can. I've got some other stuff on order that's coming. Acrylic stuff. I did finally break down and order some Glitter Bells acrylic powder, which I've heard nothing but rave reviews about. And they've got all kinds of, it's colored and all that kind of stuff. So until I can get back to where all my stuff is, I'm going to use what I can kind of accumulate here, which is stuff I was probably going to buy anyway, just having it sent here to California. So, but anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox, and I apologize for the cameras because obviously I didn't pack any of my filming and lighting equipment. So I literally am just in my room at my mom's house, and I have cameras propped up on stuff. So this is completely MacGyvered operations here. Just whatever we can do to get it done, right? So anyway, like I said, my nails are a complete disaster, so I ordered this. I really got just basically what I thought, okay, this is what I really need. Like, this is my, like, must-have starter kit, so to speak. So, and again, I apologize, the lighting isn't the greatest. When I do the actual nail videos, I am going to try and do a close-up shot so that you can see that and watch that process. But since this is just an unboxing video, obviously, I'm just going to kind of do a far more distance. So, first of all, Sparkle & Co., I know I always talk about them. Amazing company. They're trudging through, obviously on bare bones. So this took a couple, maybe a day or two extra. I think longer than it normally does to get packaged and sent out. But it actually was scheduled to get here tomorrow and arrived today. So that was an exciting surprise. But always fantastic packaging. I love this company. Great customer service. I mean, they're just amazing. So again, this is, if I was, basically I'm starting from scratch because I didn't bring anything with me. I like had a nail file on my purse that I just keep in case I get some weird edge that I need to file off. So this is really kind of everything I need to do my nails with the dip powder system that Sparkle & Co. sells. So let's see what we got here. This is probably the Cuticle Oil. Oh no, this is a file. Oh, I didn't order this, I don't think. She threw that in for fun. Cute. This is one of their glass files, which is really nice. And you can sanitize these, which is really cool. So if you are doing someone else's nails, not professionally for money, just, your sister or something. Because you need a license to do them professionally for money. Unless you live in Connecticut, which I think is so funny. Connecticut is the only U.S. state that does not require a license to do nails. So, So anyway, what I ordered basically was, and I'll put all of this down in the comments for you guys. So if you were thinking of starting to do this on your own, this is, like I said, this is what I would get to start out. So first off, I ordered the 3-pack of files and buffer. So this is just a buffer that you're going to use to buff up the top, just to get any shaping or anything done. This file is, I'd say this is probably 150 grit file, feels like. This is more like 100 grit file. So this is, the smaller the number, the less little spots there are to make it gritty. So this is a coarser grit. The smaller number is actually a coarser grit than the larger number. So this is not something you want to use on your natural nails. So if you get this, this is only to buff if you're really trying to shape, like you got a lump in the dip powder once it's on and hardened. This you would use to shape. You would not ever use this on your natural nail because it's just too abrasive. This you could use sparingly, very sparingly on your natural nail. So I bought that set of 3. So let me just show you tools wise. That's oil. So I went ahead and bought, and I love these. I bought one for my niece for Christmas. I love their little Sparkle & Co. tool kit. So you can see it's like got Sparkle & Co. stamped in there. And it's just basically it's a manicure set. So you've got clippers, small and big. You have a cuticle pusher, some scissors, tweezers, clipper, cuticle trimmer, and then one of those files, which they threw in. This is an extra one she gave as a gift, I guess, because I didn't order that spare. So thank you for that, Christy. But anyway, so this is nice, and I bought this since I'm going to be doing like nails for me and my mom. Then I figured that would be good. I also went ahead and ordered, and this is something newer. Christy, you had this in one of the bags, the subscription bags. Sorry, my brain is not working. A couple months ago, and it's a table towel. So it's a long, skinny towel meant to do your nails on. So you can see that. Really cute. And then for tools, I also bought one of these duster brushes, which I ordered one of these in a previous order, and it wasn't in the box, and it was like literally months later that I realized I never got it. So I never got one. So I ordered another one. It says Sparkle & Co. But great to dust off the excess powder. So that is good. And then I ordered she has, since I have so much stuff back at home, obviously in the salon, I keep plenty of stock. She did start a few months ago selling a mini size of all the dip liquids. So that's what these are. They're super cute, but I thought it'd be perfect to at least get me through quarantine. So this is numbers 1 through 4. So I have a pH prep, and this is like a cute little mini. Let's see if I can get it to focus so you can see. So that's number 1 is a pH prep. We have a base bond, that's step number 2. Solidify, which is step number 3. And then this is the Glossy Coat 2.0 because she's kind of reformulated it and it works amazing. So I bought those little teeny tinies because that'll be enough to get me through quarantine doing my mom's nails. And then as far as dip powders, I ordered a 5-pack of the minis. So normally a mini size dip will get you about 5 manicures or so per little container, and they're $9 a piece. But if you buy 5 at a time, you get them for $8. You just put 5 different mini size and it automatically takes off the discount now. So these are, I got one clear, just because I use clear to cap on top of all of mine. So that's what's in here. It's just a, and they've reformulated this too since I started buying from them. And so this new crystal clear coat is awesome. So the clear is really good. And then I bought these 4 colors. So I got Miranda's Secret Wish, which is a UV changer. So if you go out in the sunlight, it changes color. And then I got London Blue Dreams, which is just a really pretty, like, kind of teal, glittery. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus on that better. There we go. It's a little better. And this one too. This is the Miranda Secret Wish. And then I got Lavender Seaglass, which is just a really beautiful opal with a little pink tint to it, or purple tint, sorry. And then I got Ballerina Baby, which is just a really pretty nude. Let's see if I turn this off, you can see. Just a really pretty nude color, so I knew my mom would like that. And then I also got their tips. I do like the tips that they sell. I usually use tips from either Young Nails or Sparkle & Co. And it comes with 3 things of glue in there. So that way I could add length if I want to. I'm still not sure if I'm going to or not, because I do have a lot of acrylic coming, so I may just do over my natural nail until the acrylic gets here so I can take that off and do more demos for you guys. And then last but not least, the only other thing I ordered was a little baby cuticle oil. And I just like these teeny tiny ones, especially because the base bond and the glossy coat sometimes gets stuck because you're brushing it off and it gets on the rim. If you put a little bit of this cuticle oil just outside along the rim of the bottle before you put the cap on, it'll keep it from sticking. So she has these really nice little ones, and it has almost like a lipstick sponge on the end. So you can use this on your nails after you do your nails, just for a nice cuticle oil, or you can use it to, again, kind of grease the rim of the bottle. So that's pretty much everything that I have. I'm really excited about these cute little mini dip liquids and all that stuff. So I just, let's see. Thank you for your order. Cute. They're so sweet. They just put all these little special touches, and I absolutely love it. So step-by-step directions for dip powders and everything. So anyway, I'm really excited to finally have all this stuff and be able to do my nails again, because again, they're looking sad, you guys. So if you want to try dip powders, you can go ahead and order at sparkleandco.com. You do get a referral credit for your first time ordering if you put my name, Kathy DeSoto, in the notes section when you check out. That will give you and I each a $9 credit to use towards future purchases. They do have a great subscription program, subscription bag. So I've got lots of videos. I'll tag some up in the corner for you so you can take a look at those. All the information is in the notes of those videos for the different levels of subscription, and also same thing applies where you get a $18 actually store credit if you put my name in the notes when you check out for a subscription, which has to be paid for separately from your first order anyway. So you can do those two separately and you get $27 to spend on a future purchase. Again, great company, great products, fantastic customer service, owned by a super daring, strong female entrepreneur, and I just love supporting their business. So again, if you have any questions or anything you'd like to see coming up, please hit me up down below. I'm probably going to do a real simple step-by-step for beginners video when I do my mom's nails. And then I can do tips and all that kind of stuff just to show you if you are interested. So don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video if you like it, and make sure you hit that bell for notifications so that you don't miss any upcoming content. We'll see you next time on the Maniac.